Solved problems. Accounting equation. Problem. Aling Puring Sari store August 2022. August 1 decided to start a small store, invested 50,000 cash, her 10,000 worth of refrigerator. August 2 paid the necessary licenses and permits 1,500. August 3 arrival of inventories amounting to 35,000, partially paid with a payable of 5,000. August 4 purchased of other accessories, supplies amounting to PHP 750 and furniture and fixtures 3,250. August 7 first week revenue was 13,200, PHP 10,800 cash and the rest receivables. Cost of goods sold was 7,780. August 10 arrival of additional inventories worth 20,000, half of which was promised to be paid before the end of the month. August 14 second week revenue was 18,100, PHP 12,500 cash and the rest receivables. Cost of goods sold was 11,380. August 15 collected 1,800 of the receivables of the first week. August 20 withdraw 1,600 for personal use. August 21 third week revenue was 16,800, PHP 15,200 cash and the rest receivables. Cost of goods sold was 9,910. August 22 collected 2,700 receivables. August 24 settled the payables from the supplier. August 26 arrival of third order inventories paid in cash amounting to 32,000. August 28 fourth week revenue was 19,050, 18,300 cash and the rest receivables. Cost of goods sold was 12,360. August 29 collected PHP 1,300 receivables. August 30 paid the electricity bill 950. Solution. Accounting equation. Date, transactions, assets, cash, accounts receivable, inventory, equipment, furniture and fixtures, liabilities, accounts payable, owner's equity, capital, drawings, income and expenses. August 1 Aling Puring Sari store decided to start a small store, invested 50,000 cash and her 10,000 worth refrigerator. Cash 50,000, equipment 10,000, capital 60,000. August 2 paid the necessary licenses and permits 1,500, cash minus 1,500, expenses 1,500. August 3 arrival of her inventories amounting to 35,000, partially paid with a payable of 5,000, cash minus 30,000, inventory plus 35,000, accounts payable plus 5,000. 4th August purchased the other accessories, supplies amounting to 750 and furniture and fixtures 3,250, cash minus 4,000, inventory plus 750, furniture and fixtures plus 3,250. 7th August first week revenue was 13,200, PHP 10,800 cash and the rest receivables. Cash plus 10,800, accounts receivable plus 2,400, income 13,200. 7th August cost of goods sold for the above was 7,780, inventory minus 7,780, expenses 7,780. 10th August arrival of additional inventories worth 20,000, half of which was promised to be paid before the end of the month. Cash minus 10,000, inventories 20,000, accounts payable 10,000. 14th August second week revenue was 18,100, 12,500 cash and the rest receivables. Cash plus 12,500, accounts receivables plus 5,600, income 18,100. 14th August cost of goods sold for the above was 11,380, inventory minus 11,380, expenses 11,380. 15th August collected 1,800 of the receivables of the first week. Cash debit 1,800, accounts receivable credit 1,800. 20 August withdraw 1,600 for personal use. Cash minus 1,600, drawings 1,600. 21st August third week revenue was 16,800, 15,200 cash and the rest receivables. Cash plus 15,200, accounts receivable plus 1,600, income 16,800. 21st August third week revenue was 16,800, 15,200 cash and the rest receivables. Cash plus 15,200, accounts receivables plus 1,600, income 16,800. 21st August, cost of goods sold for above was 9,910, inventory minus 9,910, expenses 9,910. 22nd August, collected 2,700 receivables, cash plus 2,700, accounts receivables minus 2,700. 24 August, settled payables from the supplier minus 15,000 in cash and accounts payable minus 15,000. August 26, arrival of third order inventories paid in cash amounting to 32,000, cash minus 32,000, inventory plus 32,000. 28th August, fourth week revenue was 19,050, 18,300 cash and the rest receivables. Cash plus 18,300, accounts receivable 750, income 19,050. 28th August, cost of goods sold for the above was 12,360, inventory minus 12,360, expenses 12,360. 29 August, collected 1,300 from receivables, accounts receivables minus 1,300, cash plus 1,300. 30th August, paid the electricity bill 950, cash minus 950, expenses 950. Total net of cash 17,550, accounts receivables net 4,550, inventory net 46,320, equipment 10,000, furniture and fixtures 3,200, liabilities accounts payable 0, owner's equity capital 60,000, owner's equity drawings 1,600, owner's equity income 67,150, owner's equity expenses 43,800. 80. Accounting equation. Assets is equal to cash plus accounts receivable plus inventory plus equipment plus furniture and fixtures, that is 70,550 plus 4,550 plus 46,320 plus 10,000 plus 3,250, total 81,670. Liabilities is equal to 0. Owner's equity capital minus drawings plus income minus expenses, that is 60,000 minus 1,600 plus 67,150 minus 40,880, that is equal to 81,670. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.